Hey Bears, it's the end of February and we've made it to our second semester of the school year. As we approach the end of the year, we hope that all of you can finish strong. Some of you may know that the hybrid plan for high schoolers could be on our horizon. And since some of you may be back in the building pretty soon, I'm going to pass it over to the assembly crew to give us a new school tour.
Hey y'all, welcome to the North Street entrance at Olympia High School. When you walk in, to your right is the counseling center. You can go in there to get counseled, talk to your counselor, always a good time. You can also get a PE waiver or talk to Miss Bolts about your post-high school plan. Good time in there. Yeah. Across the hall from that is the administration or the main office. If you get in trouble, you'll go here. The office ladies will give you a hard time. Just kidding. They're very nice. They will not. Walking down the hall, you'll see the attendance office to the right, and go there if you're late. Yep, hall 1, right at the end of the hallway, is the English hall. Yep, pretty cool. All the halls look pretty similar. Right across from hall 1 is hall 2, which is the math hall. Really fun. Yay, go math. Love it. Woohoo! And then if you go up the stairs next on the same side as hall 2, it'll take you to the 500 classrooms. Whoa, we're going speedy. Up here, we have more English classrooms and the good bathrooms. Go there if you want to. And then down the stairs, you'll find the library. Pretty cool, pretty epic. Love learning. Love Miss Udo. Good vibe. Charge your Chromebook. Print some papers off, read some books, all the good library things. Don't eat in there, though. And then there's Hall 3, which is the language hall. And right across from that is Hall 4, which is the science hall. So, yep. And then at the end of the Hall 4 is this new covered pathway to the 700 building, which is super epic. And the 700 building has more science classes, so watch out for some mousetrap cars. Right out of the weird hallway thingy will bring you to this courtyard. Whoa, snow on the ground. How fun is that? Yeah. Back inside the building, we are walking from the halls to the cafeteria. And here is one entrance to the music halls. And here we have my favorite part. Oh my God, the bike lockers. I absolutely love them. I don't know why. They're so cool to me. And across from that is some music storage. So yeah, if you want to put your instrument somewhere, it'll probably go there. Yeah, walk down this hall, good old times. And then we reach one entrance to the gym. And here is an overview of our beautiful cafeteria with all that natural light. Would you look at that? The Oli way. Yep, that's our way. Oh, and here we have Cafe Ole. They have really good smoothies and, well, frappuccinos apparently. Yum. And across from that is the other entrance to the Chick Rocky Gymnasium, which is nice. I love it. It's pretty cool. And inside the gym are like basketball games and volleyball games and gym class. Yeah, that's about it. And here we have my personal favorite, the PAC. If you want to come see a show, you should, because they're fun. Love a good show. Yep. And then, I have the hiccups now. Excuse me. And then we have the cafeteria. Yep, that's pretty much all it is. And here we have this building, but I don't know what it is, but they point to it, so it must be important. And here we have the ASB room. I think it's new. Yep. So you can go in here if you need to pay a fine or something. And here we have the student store. Woohoo! I love chocolate chip cookies. So get some carnival cookies. Yay! So now this is my favorite part, that new airport bathrooms. You know what I'm talking about? Where there's no door and you just like walk behind. I think they're so cool. I don't know why I like them so much, but I hope you do too. So back out of that hallway, we're going to go up these beautiful, very regal stairs. I want to climb those. That looks like fun. Yep. So up the stairs, nice view. And it's a very similar hallway. Would you look at that? Another bathroom. Pretty cool. And at the end of the hallway, there are some stairs down, and they say Fam Oli. Would you look at that? So fun. That says perk, and I don't know what it means, and I have asked. So here we are back in the cafeteria thingy, and there's more music storage. Love it. Love music storage. I like storing music and instruments. Yeah. Oh, so here's one entrance to the music room, and they have like a 600 on the room number. So if you have a 600, it'll be in this section. And here is the other entrance. So this is the choir and band room. So right here is the band room. Pretty epic. One time when I was practicing for Legally Blonde, a musical, we were doing Whipped into Shape, I hit a microphone with my jump rope. Anyways, you walk through the instrument storage and you reach the choir room. Yeah, go choir. Woo! And now we're walking out into the student parking lot section of Olympia High School. So if you have a car, you'll park in here. Yeah, look at that parking lot. Bye. Thanks for watching.
Wow, the new parts of the building look amazing. I can't wait until we can all safely be back together at school. Until then, please wear your masks and continue to practice social distancing.
Yes, please wear your masks. And on to a new topic. I know our class officers have been up to some pretty amazing things, so let's pass it on over to our class officers and ASB officers to give us a quick update on what they've been working on.
Hey Bears, for class of 2024, we are going to be giving out merch. There will be t-shirts, crew necks, and sweatshirts. We will let you know when they are available and how long they will be available for. For those of you competing in the design competition, Christine will go over the criteria.
So for the competition, anyone in the freshman class will be able to submit a design for the new merch. The winner will get a t-shirt, sweatshirt, or a crew neck by choice bought by Mrs. Costello, and more details will come out in the next Oliway, but all you need to know now is that it has to include the class of 2024, it covers the top half of your shirt, and it needs to be submitted as a vector file. But look out for the new Oliway for more information.
Another fun thing coming is Zooms every other Wednesday at 10:30, where you get to meet new people and have a good time. Individual breakout rooms can be made.
Hey Bears, we got this. We're already halfway through the school year and we just have to finish strong. DM the class account if you have any questions and make sure you're trying sports and clubs. Go Bears!
Hey Bears, this is Maria Aurelio, your sophomore class president.
And I'm your vice president, Avery Hall.
And I'm your sophomore secretary, Ryan McCabe.
And I'm your treasurer, Simone Irvin.
We know that this past semester has been really difficult with distance learning.
But we want to congratulate everyone on finishing the first semester and finals.
I believe we're all happy our first semester is over, and we can all look forward to a fresh start for our second semester.
Good job continuing to be resilient in second semester.
We are super excited to announce that we are working on getting merch and t-shirt prizes to give out to the class of 2023.
These t-shirts can be given out during future events or for prizes.
If you have any suggestions for future game nights or for future fundraisers, be sure to reach us through our email or our Insta DMs.
So keep updated through our Instagram or send us an email with questions, comments, or concerns. We are always open to suggestions.
Thank you all for listening, and go Bears!
Hey Bears, I'm Grace Clark and I'm the junior class president. I'm here with my fellow officers today to send you a quick update about what the junior class officers are up to. So the first thing is we miss you guys so much and we're really excited that things are kind of starting back up again at school with sports and everything. So with that, we're going to start being more active on our Instagram account. So if you have activities that you're doing that are school related and you want to tag us, we will repost your things. So as things are opening back up with school and activities, it's going to be much easier for us to do some more social media stuff. So watch out for that.
Hey guys, my name is Michael Zhao and I'm the junior class treasurer. We just wanted to update you guys on an upcoming fundraiser that we're starting. We're going to be selling clothes, bottles, and maybe pins. And if you guys have any questions or things that you'd like to see on our merchandise, feel free to DM our Instagram. So, yeah.
Hi Bears, I'm Carly Coy, secretary to the class of 2022, and I just want to emphasize what the other officers have been saying. We miss you all so much. It was great to see many of us in person together safely on January 26th when we took the PSAT, and I want to emphasize to keep a lookout for your high school and beyond plan. Stay safe, wear a mask, and if you need anything at all or have any comments, ideas, suggestions, concerns, be sure to reach out to us through DMs on Instagram, OliBears2022, or through our Gmail, olibears2022@gmail.com. Go Bears!
Hey seniors, we just wanted to give you a quick reminder that the senior merch fundraiser is still going on.
You can get a quarter zip for $40 or a water bottle for $25.
The fundraiser closes at the end of this month, February 28th, so make sure to place an order as soon as possible.
Also, seniors, make sure you're reading senior notes as it shows a lot of important deadlines for Naviance, as well as dates and information for seniors as we approach the end of the school year.
And seniors, if you haven't yet determined your post-high school plan or need any help at all, Mrs. Bolts and the Career Counseling Office would be more than happy to meet with you.
That's right. You can schedule a meeting with your counselor today. We're all in this together.
You got this, seniors. Hang in there and go Bears.
Thank you to all of our officers for continuing to stay engaged. We appreciate you. We also appreciate our drama department for continuing to meet and produce virtual shows during a pandemic. Whoa, right? Let's catch up with Mr. Myers to see what he has to say about his incredible department.
Hey there, Olympia High School. It's me, Mr. Myers, coming to you from my home classroom, I guess, of things. I am here today to talk about Drama Club and all that we've been up to this year. We're still going strong. We've been surviving and adapting, and we really hope that you are too. Honestly, though, so much of the success of Drama Club this year is due to the dedicated students of our club, and specifically the 7 Drama Club officers that we've got this year who are so strong and so passionate and just forward thinking in getting out there and trying new things. So I'm gonna get out of the way and let them talk about it. Whoosh.
Come join us for club meetings. We're building community, playing games, and connecting with each other.
We meet each Wednesday at 12:15 p.m. in Zoom.
We're still doing productions this year.
In October, we did a radio version of the play, The War of the Worlds.
Then you're quite convinced, as a scientist, that living intelligence as we know it does not exist on Mars?
I should say the chances against it are 1,000 to 1.
Now the whole field's caught fire. The woods, the barns, the gas tanks of automobiles. It's spreading everywhere. It's coming this way, about 20 yards to my right.
Enemy now discharging heavy black smoke in direction of...
Now the smoke's crossing 6th Avenue, 5th Avenue, 100 yards away. It's 50 feet.
What day is it? Do days exist without calendars? Does time pass when there are no human hands left to wind the clocks?
New York? Isn't there anyone on the air? Isn't there anyone?
We just finished and streamed a short film version of the play 4 a.m.
4 a.m. Again.
I'm gonna go to sleep. It's 4.
What time did you say it was? 4. Everybody's asleep at 4.
This is Frankie, your 4 a.m. connection.
Is there anyone out there?
I am here to light your way in the darkness.
Did we cross into an alternate universe where up is down?
Old souls.
Every day we're afraid. Every day there's a monster under our bed, and yet we get through it. You can't run from it.
Hello? Hello?
And we have more projects, both large and small, being prepared for the spring.
Check out our Instagram at OHS Theater Arts or Mr. Myers' YouTube channel for updates, audition information, and Small Talk with Myers episodes.
Wow, that was an amazing recap on how the drama department has adapted during these crazy times. Our Bears are so engaged and creative. On February 1st, 370 student athletes finally got to put on the Bears uniform when the first season sports, including girls swim, girls soccer, volleyball, football, boys and girls cross country, and cheer, were given the green light to start. The challenges of competing in a pandemic and Mother Nature have not dampened the spirit of the players to represent their school. Most matches are being streamed on Facebook, the NHFS streaming service, or Zoom for fans to be able to watch. We couldn't be more proud of the coaches and athletes' effort during the most challenging of times. What an inspiring bunch of athletes. Season 2 sports will be getting organized soon with a start date in mid-March.
I agree, Ellie. It was very inspiring. Okay, to close off our February Assembly, here's our very own cheer squad, here to perform an incredible routine for y'all.